Hey guys, and this is Reggie with Stock Talk. It's been a crazy week with this GameStop short squeezes going on. The market's been down for the whole week, and we don't know what to buy for this coming week, right? I'm going to help you out. I am a swing trader. I trade off of technical analysis and chart patterns. And when I see particular chart patterns, I do put a video out on it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I drop these gems. And one of my gems was BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, in the short squeeze plays. I had, if you look, I did a video on that like weeks ago. So congratulations to anybody that took advantage of that. So let's go. I've got 3 stocks that you need to put in your portfolio this week, right? Number one is Are you in? Are you in? Run. Run is a solar stock. Sunrun Inc. This stock is. I've been waiting for it to be a pullback on it because again, this is going to be an excellent Biden stock. Several ETFs own this stock, and now it's trading close to the bottom of that Bollinger Band, which is a buy signal for me. It's cheap. It's on sale. Get it. Are you in? Are you in? All right. The next one, another solar, is Sun Power. So this is a great time to load up on solar stocks because, again, the Biden administration is very clean energy friendly. So hydrogen plays, solar stock plays, and there's a bunch of them now. You can also do the TAN ETF, TAN, if you want to. But I like this one, Sun Power. SPWR is the ticker symbol. This one is was heavily shorted. And so there was a short squeeze already in play before this short squeeze phenomenon started coming out, in which I've been telling you guys to buy it. And this Sun Power has been going up, and now because of the indecisiveness with the short squeezes and people selling, it's been trading sideways. So it's now inside the Bollinger Band again and starting to head back up once again. So SPWR, even if I'm wrong, it starts to head down, buy, because eventually it's going to head up. It's heavily shorted. It's a decent company, and we'll take advantage of the things, the news catalysts down the pipeline when it comes to clean energy. All right, so we got RUN, SPWR, and last but not least, silver. Not gold, silver. Silver is a safety stock. When the big money don't know where to put their money, they're buying silver. Silver is good for manufacturing, but ticker symbol SLV is the way to go for this week. It's just began its uptrend. So there's once it begins its uptrend, then it takes off. It happened the last time. It's going to happen again. I've been waiting for this moment. So these are the moments I've been waiting for. So SLV is another buy in silver. And what goes along with that, I add another one for you, give you a bonus. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been trading down lately. It's been in a downtrend. It was in an ascending flag pattern, just broke out of it, breaking to the upside. It broke out, came back down a little bit, which is a natural movement, going back up. I've got a video on it. Check it out. All right. This is Reggie with my stock picks for this week up and coming. All right. Any questions? Feel free to message me below. I look at a lot of stocks. When I find something that's hot, I let you guys know. And so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right. Have a great week.